What's going on, family? Welcome back to my channel. Now today we're gonna make the McDonald's Sprite, but the healthy version. So the first thing you're gonna do is get you some lemon and some limes. Then you're gonna get you some San Pellegrino sparkling water, or any sparkling water of your choice. Just make sure it's good sparkling water. And then we got some agave, like I said, the healthy version. We're gonna use some agave for this one. So the first thing you're gonna do is go ahead and get your fruit rolled on the table, and this pretty much just loosens up the citrus and just let you juice it a lot better. I'm doing this because I don't actually have my juicer with me, so I'm just doing it the old-fashioned way. All right, then you're gonna get that lemon and lime juice in a little ramekin or in a cup, whatever you're gonna put it in. I'm just juicing it together, and you know that it's the natural flavor of Sprite, lemon and lime. It's a lemon lime soda, so this actually gonna taste more Spritey than Sprite. All right, so once you get that together, go ahead and get you some ice, put it in a cup, and this is the most simple recipe ever. I'm layering it too, so I'm putting the ice in the cup, putting a little agave at the bottom, then I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the lemon lime juice in there. Then I'm gonna fill the cup up with ice, then I'm gonna put some more agave and more lemon lime juice. And I'm doing it this way because when you get it from that machine, the carbonation machine, it actually mixes it together, but we can't do that here, so I'm just layering it. So this is my step of mixing it. All right, once you get the rest of that lemon lime juice up top, you're gonna top it off with that sparkling water, man, and pretty much there you have it, man. Like I said, simple recipe. It's gonna give you that good bite like the McDonald's Sprite, and but it's not gonna give you all those harsh chemicals and all those harsh calories, man. This year I've been trying to do a lot better with the things I'm doing, so I'm just sharing with you some things that I'm doing on my journey. But there you have it, man, the McDonald's Sprite made by the Bistro. Thank you guys for checking out my video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. I'm out.